Hello friends, take a look at these examples. Here it looked like in the first 30 minutes, prices are going downside. But then what happened, as if the prices were hit by an invisible wall and a reversal happened later and there was a strong up move. So here in this video guys, we are diving deep into how to identify these hidden trends using order flow chart. Before we continue any further, take a moment to explore our homepage to transform your trading. Now diving into the subject. Let's take the previous examples. For a price action trader, it may not be that easy to identify these kind of hidden trends or hidden reversals. But for an order flow trader, you have plenty of tools here which tells you that the down move in this case is not very confident one. The first clue that would have given you away is that the passive and aggressive interest. So as an order flow trader, you would know that the left side are aggressive sellers which are hitting the bids of passive buyers sitting on the DOM, whereas the right side orders are nothing but the aggressive buyers that are hitting the ask prices in the DOM. So when I say you look at the aggressive and passive interest, you always look for whether the passive and aggressive interest is there at the lower levels or not. So if you focus in this example, here look at the last two lines. So there is 1,11,000 aggressive sellers hitting the bids. At the same time, here 61,000 aggressive sellers hitting the bids. Think about it guys. So despite of this strong selling, prices are closing above it. So what would have happened? If you think about it, you will understand the logic behind this. So some aggressive seller initially sold, but he completely lost his whatever the selling quantity is there with him. So what happens, the buyers whoever have bought from these people, the passive buyers, they would have taken control and they pushed the prices in the last minute to the upside. So the prices have closed above this aggressive seller. So this speaks about aggressive sellers are being absorbed by the passive people. Not only that, the passive sellers at the lower levels, they are not as much as interested as the aggressive sellers. So here the 1,11,000 aggressive selling is there, but only 81,000 passive sellers are there. Here also 61,000 aggressive sellers are there and only 24,000 passive selling is there. For any reliable trend in order flow, these aggressive sellers moves the prices downside, whereas the passive sellers, they support the downside move. So when you see a unequal volume from aggressive and passive, you know passive sellers are not much interested as that of aggressive people. There is a high possibility into the day there could be a total reversal or a deep pullback might be there. The next clue that we are looking at is where this kind of lack of interest is happening. Now generally these kind of absorption areas happen around the previous demand or supply zone. So if you look at here, this is where the absorption has happened. At the same time, this is the previous demand zone. You assume that this buyer whoever have presented himself previously, he will again try to take the markets upside. So by assuming that he will come again, you will be proactive and you will look for the absorption signs like I have shown here. This is one example. Let's look at some other examples. So look at this. In the first 30 minutes, the prices went down. This is again a Reliance chart, and in the second 30 minutes, what happened, despite of a lower low, prices are closing above the big orders. Along with that, there is a strong institutional who had come around the lower levels. Now if you focus here, again 30k aggressive sellers against 13k passive sellers, again a mismatch between aggressive and passive interest. So prices closed above it, absorption along with the lack of passive sellers. And then where it is happening, this is the area where it has happened. There is a previous demand zone here, and this is the area where there is a strong breakout. The moment you see a reversal, look for buying opportunities as per your setup. This is again another example here. So focus in the first 30 minutes, there was a strong down move. There is not much of passive selling at the lower levels, 7.6 passive selling with 25k aggressive selling. So passive support is not there, and just like as we have seen in the previous example, here also prices have closed in the second 30 minutes above the big orders. So this speaks about some passive buyers are absorbing at the lower level. Sellers clearly failed to close the prices below the first 1 hour low. All these things indicated there is a good possibility of reversal. That's what happened here. And let's look at where this is happening. This is the area where it has happened. So multiple times, not once. It's this third time there is a reversal around this point. If you are enjoying this content, guys, our next video is going to increase your trading to the next level. I hope I have added some value to your trading. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification so you're always a step ahead. Thank you. Have a nice day.